Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant is not launching, and when you try to launch it through Valorant desktop shortcut, your PC restarts. So first of all, basically never press desktop shortcut here for Valorant. If you want to play Valorant, you need to go and look for Riot Client and open up Valorant through Riot Client. Just open up Riot Client, select Valorant, and then you can play from here, and it always should work for you. And if still Valorant do not work, probably you turn off core isolation or option. So you just need to go to Windows Security, and here you need to go to Device Security, then select core isolation details, and then make sure memory integrity is on. Probably if it's not launching, it's off, so you just need to turn it on, restart your computer, launch Riot Client, not select Valorant through desktop shortcut, always on Riot Client, play Valorant, and then it should work for you. So that's pretty much it.